కర్గిస్తాన్ రాజధాని బిష్కెక్లో విదేశీ విద్యార్థులపై దాడులు జరుగుతున్న నేపథ్యంలో అక్కడ చిక్కుకున్న ఏపీ విద్యార్థులతో టీడీపీ ఎంపీ రామ్మోహన్ నాయుడు వీడియో కాన్ఫరెన్స్లో మాట్లాడారు. విద్యార్థులు ధైర్యంగా అప్రమత్తంగా ఉండాలని సూచించారు. భారత ఎంబసీకి ఎప్పటికప్పుడు సమాచారం ఇవ్వాలన్నారు. విదేశాంగ శాఖ నుంచి సహాయక సహకారాలు వచ్చే వరకు నిరంతర కృషి చేస్తామని భరోసా ఇచ్చారు.
I hope everyone is feeling safe right now. I don't know exactly what the situation is right now. They have strongly responded and they have been in contact with the embassy there and also the government in Kyrgyzstan. And they have assured that the things are being taken care of and students are in safe custody and all that.
How the situation is on the ground right now?
Some local fellows వచ్చి అంటే ఫారినర్స్ కి ఇబ్బంది పెట్టడం అలాగా రాడ్స్ అవి పట్టుకొని డోర్స్ బ్రేక్ చేసి.
What was the reason?
A few days ago, sir, on May 13, any jobs or they are economically disturbing, sir, so that they want to evacuate these migrants from this country so that they can get better job opportunities. They are saying, sir.
See, Ram is already a sitting member of parliament. He has already written a letter to Mr. Jaishankar.
Immediate thing that I do is I reach out to the External Affairs Minister or the Secretary at the Government of India External Affairs. I've written a letter also and I've also tried to reach out to the Secretary at the External Affairs.
We are living in hostels now, sir. In our hostel, like 1 or 6 members we are living, sir. So many hostels are in Bishkek, sir. So we are so much of these local guys, sir, because the day before yesterday, that night was very scary, sir. Maybe 40 members, they came to our hostel, they entered our hostel, sir, and they break our doors. And we already contacted with the embassy, sir, but on that same day, that embassy was not responding very properly, sir. After that, when we informed to that Ram sir about these issues, then Ram sir tweeted in the Twitter. Then that time our Jaishankar sir responded, and yesterday night was with all the petroleum police with 3,500 members of police are there, sir.
We are like even we are scared, sir, to go outside also, not even for the groceries also, sir.
So what we are going to do, probably me and Bharat, we'll try to take up this issue in another ways. Put it up to the ministry again. So the main reason we wanted to speak to you, me and Bharat, today is that we wanted to assure you again that there is someone listening from here also.
Soon we are going to complete our academic year, sir. Till June we will have this academic year. So at least for this 1 month they would have provided security, means it will be good for us, sir.
There's about 80-90 people here on the call. I think please connect with each other.
Okay.
And if you're whatever you do, remain together as a group. As Ram has said, we are there for you, and don't make the problem bigger than it is in your mind.
Night yesterday also we couldn't sleep properly because any car in front of our hostel, group of Russians or Kyrgyz, it's very scary, sir.
I hope everyone